Okay, so this video is gonna be really short. I'm just gonna explain like when to like checking a page is ready to work, or how to check a page is ready to work with. Right? JQuery's .ready method checks that the page is ready for your code to work with. So you can do the $, document dot ready, and we can use the function over here. And alright, it's that simple, right? So the ready method. Alright, I'll show another one. There's a shortcut for this. It's just saying. It's the same as this one, alright? It's saying the same thing, like document.ready. It's just the same thing, but just a shortcut. So, what is the ready method? jQuery's ready method checks if the browser supports the DOM content loaded event, because it fires as soon as the DOM has loaded. So as soon as the document has loaded, the function will run. This function will run. It does not wait for other assets to finish, and it can make the page appear as if it's loading faster, right? So it's not gonna wait for ads or images or videos to load. If you want to do that, use the load. It's gonna wait for images and videos, all things to load. But for now, we're gonna use the ready. And yeah. So now you know how to check a page when a page is ready to work with. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching.